everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you. If you're already a subscriber, I welcome you back again. And thank you to everyone, and thank you for the support. I really appreciate and everything. So as you can tell by this title of this video, is how to properly use African black soap. So I've received a lot of tons of questions on live video that I made 2 weeks ago on Instagram. So 90% of those questions goes like, I've been using black soap for the past 2 weeks. I'm not getting the results. This is not my black soap. This is like a general, like, just general black soap that you can get from any African stores, or you can get it from Amazon, or you can even get it from any local store around you, like Jamaican store, and any store that is like even ShopRite. They do carry African black soap now, but it depends on where you live and everything. So people have asked me that they use it for maybe uneven skin tone, dark spots, and they're not seeing any difference. This is not my black soap now. I'm talking about in general, like people that have used black soap, for their acne and for the dark spots, for everything they want to use it for. I'm taking off my hair. Excuse my hair. Okay. So, and the question that I asked them on that live video on Instagram is, how do you use your black soap? About 26% told me they use their face towel to bathe themselves while using the African black soap, because they believe black soap is just ordinary normal black soap. So I will be telling you exactly how our grandmothers, our mothers use African black soap, and up to today's day it's still the same method. A lot of people sell African black soap, they don't know but they didn't even know how to use it. They didn't even know how to tell the consumer, like, this how to use black soap properly. So let me break it down for you. When you're using this like face towel to bathe yourself with African black soap, no. I've even seen some customers telling me that they use the black color of the face towel to bathe. No, this is not the right thing to use with your African black soap. No. So if you want to know how to properly use African black soap, let me break it down. There's two. You have to use it with a sponge. Yes, when taking bath with African black soap. When using it on your face, you just lather a little bit on your hand and just wash your face as a regular soap. When it comes to bathing your body from uneven skin tone, dark spots, dark patches, eczema, and all those stuff, you need a sponge. We have two types of sponge in Africa, in West Africa. Let me break it down that way, because every different country with different sponges that like a local sponge. So to be precise, in Nigeria they have two local sponges. One, I will put the picture in the video somewhere. I don't have that one because that one is very harsh on your skin. It's easily to clog your drainage, and I don't use it because it sheds a lot. So the second one is this kind of sponge. Yeah, you can get any color sponge. That's it. This is what I use to bathe. This kind of sponge. This is what I use to bathe. And what you do is you fold it like this. You take your black soap, you put it on top of it, you lather with some water and bathe yourself with it. That is it. It exfoliates the skin cell while using it with a sponge. If you can't find this in an African store or near you, you can always go to, because I really got this for you guys so you can, use what you have and feel comfortable. You can always go to Ross. I got this from Ross. And this is just $3.99 from Ross. And this is how this one looks like. See, it was folded like this. If you see, it's very similar to the one I just showed you. So there's no excuses telling me you don't know how to use African black soap. This is the right way to use it. So this is what I use. But if you can get this one, see, this is like nets. It's the same. Just wrap it around your hand like this. You can cut this into two and put your soap in it, lather, and just beat yourself. And the same thing with this. If you cannot get this one, there's another one. I got this from, it's called DD discount. This is just $2.99. This is how this one looks like. It's similar with that one. I don't want to open it because it's almost the same thing with this one I just showed you. Okay, this is I'm opening it for you. So this is another one right here. And this is how, excuse my lighting because this is a quick video. So this is another sponge. You can just put your finger, in the back and just put your soap, lather, and start taking shower with it. So you have to use your African black soap with the sponge, not face towel. This, no. You need this. Or where's the pink one? Or this. This or this. So next time when you're bathing yourself, try and get yourself a sponge, and as time goes on, you should start seeing a huge difference. It remove the dead skin cell, it exfoliates your skin for you, and remember to moisturize with a good moisturizer. And people that have like a sensitive skin, the black soap is too strong for you. Try, look for something that is mild. I can customize any soap. You can check my website. Now we have a website, and I'm still listing products, so you can go to www.fulllightmagicalglowskincare.com, and then you can look for your skin type of the soap. All my soap, I made it myself. It's been premixed. It's very good. Some customers that have used my product can tell you. As I'm talking to you, I don't have a makeup, so excuse me, but I do have a lipstick and a eyeliner, but I don't have a makeup. The purpose for Full Light Magical Glow Skincare is to make every woman feel comfortable, and you don't have to feel like uncomfortable when you don't have a makeup on. Makeup, people invest a lot of money in makeup. By the end of the day, remember you have to wash up your makeup off, and you'll be left with your skin. So I will encourage you, invest money in your skin, take good care of your skin, eat healthy, drink a lot of water, and cut off your juices and soda. I know it's hard for some people to do. So a healthy skin comes from taking good care of your skin. There's no magical overnight. So eat healthy, get some rest, try as much as possible to stay away from stress. Sometimes we all get stressed. Hormonal acne, stress acne, a lot of things can cause acne. So try and take good care of yourself. And if you have any other question, feel free to add me on your WhatsApp, 267-746-7490. 267-746-7490. That is only on WhatsApp. I don't pick up phone calls. I don't reply quickly on SMS. I prefer for you to chat me up on WhatsApp if you have any question. If you want to check my website and you think what you see, you want me to enlighten you like the best product that can suit your skin, feel free to contact me. And that's all I have for you today. So if you're using towel for your bathing, no, invest in sponge. All the sponges is less than $5. This is less than $5 as well. Less than $5, and this comes in 2 packs. So if you have any other question, feel free to chat me up, just like I said. And that's all I have for you today. I hope this video helps someone. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.